Hey everybody, Kelly Ham, the Dancing Broker. So are you the type of person who likes to learn from other people's mistakes? If so, then learn from my mistake. When my father passed away this summer, he did not leave a will. He promised to make one, but he never got around to it. I was too afraid to bring it up, worried he'd think I was being greedy or that I only cared about what I could get after he was gone. But now, living with that regret, I wish I had found the courage to have that conversation. I should have just paid for an attorney myself to get the will written. That in itself would have saved me thousands of dollars and a near mental breakdown. I never imagined how difficult it would be, how much stress there would be in trying to piece together his wishes, and how long and stressful probate would become. If only I'd taken the time to hire an attorney to push him to make those decisions, I wouldn't be left with this uncertainty and confusion. But the truth is, I didn't. And now I have to live with that. There's something else I learned through all of this, something I wish I had known earlier. It's the importance of checking in on your loved ones, especially the ones who live far away. People can be hiding their struggles, their pain, even their financial hardships, and especially the condition of their home, and might be too ashamed to ask for help. I found out after he passed away that the neighbor lady hadn't been allowed past the front door for the last 7 years. Now I know why. The house was in horrible condition and we had no idea. I never realized how hard it would be for my father to take care of everything on his own until it was too late. Plan a visit in person to check on them. While you're there, clean their gutters and put moss killer on the roof. Help with the deferred maintenance because it will become your problem later on. Don't wait for a perfect moment to talk about these things. Life is fragile, and the more you talk to your loved ones about the future, about what they want, what you want, the less you'll regret later on. Whether it's talking about a will or just checking in to make sure they're okay, these conversations matter. I wish I had been more persistent, more proactive. So take it from me, don't be afraid to have the talk. Don't be afraid to reach out because in the end, those small conversations can make all the difference. Make the time now before it's too late. Thanks for learning how to avoid this happening to you, and thanks for watching.